What's up, everyone? So if you watch my other update videos, you know that I typically start these videos by saying how surprised I am that we've reached this point in viewership. But I'm not going to lead with that today. What I realize is that I really shouldn't be surprised. I used to think that viewership was purely based on the content, but I realized that it's not that simple. I realized that the concept of Engineer Man is much larger than just me talking to you about some specific tech topic. What it's really about is the free exchange of knowledge that makes everybody better as a result. And to achieve this grand objective, we have something special in the works, and I'm going to announce it at the end of this video. But first, let's chat about a couple other items. First, I need to thank my two admins on Discord, Kalix and Senior Ducky. But more than just admins, they're also my friends, who I trust implicitly to have the Engineer Man community's best interest in mind at all times. Because of this, they both help steer where this channel and this community is going. As well, we've added some new moderators to the mix who are doing a great job. It's a few smart people. They represent the Engineer Man community very well, and we're always looking for new people who can do the same. So next I want to announce a new video segment. It's called Project Review. Project Review may or may not replace Code Review, or I'll do them both kind of together. Basically what happened is so many people sent me in code to review, but the problem is a lot of them, it was a lot of code, it was stuff I didn't understand, and stuff that I couldn't effectively review. There was also just way too much of it. So I thought instead of reviewing the code, I could just review the end product. That would make it so I didn't actually have to go through anything. I could just run it and kind of feature it in a video. And I could do 2 to 3 of these or more per video. So now you can still send your stuff to codereview@engineerman.org. Just let me know in the email that it's a fully done project and that you're not looking for a code review, you're looking to just have it featured on my channel. It's kind of like the show and tell stuff I do, but it's fan stuff instead of my own. I think it'll be a fun little segment. Next is live streams. I did the first one last Saturday and I thought it went really well. I thought it was a huge success. I put out a poll shortly after that to gauge interest on how often people would like to see live streams, and people overwhelmingly supported that I should do one once a week. Unfortunately, there's just no way I'm going to be able to do it once a week. That's just way too much. Instead, I'm going to plan on doing them every other week, and so every other Saturday. And I'm going to push the time forward 1 hour rather than doing it at 10 a.m. Central Time. I'm going to do it at 11 a.m. Central Time. Another reason I don't want to do it every week is because I want to make sure that I'm putting out a quality live stream, and to do so, that requires planning on my part. Okay, now for the big announcement. So as you know, Engineer Man started out as just me making videos, people watching videos, and that was kind of the end of it. That was step 1. I was advised about a month ago to make a Discord server, and that was step 2. The Engineer Man Discord server is really healthy right now. There's about 1,000 members, and there's tons and tons of engagement in what seems like 24/7. And finally, step 3, which will take it the rest of the way, is going to be engineerman.org, a new web platform that's going to tie the whole thing together. If I were to describe engineerman.org in one sentence, it would be Stack Overflow meets Reddit. And the reason I need to build this on my own is because neither of those two sites would do what the Engineer Man community needs. So let's talk about some of the features. So first, it's going to feature a Stack Overflow style Q&A type system with both voting and scoring. Next, it's going to have a Reddit style commenting system with a slightly modified scoring system that's going to ensure only quality stuff is on there. Next, it's going to be exclusive to the Engineer Man community, and the only way you're going to be able to log in is with Discord login. I may change that in the future, but that's the plan for now. Next is it's going to be tightly integrated with the Engineer Man Discord server to the point where you're going to be able to take actions through new bots that will leverage the data that's on engineerman.org. Next is all the data is going to be 100% community owned. There's going to be a full API available for you to leverage that data in whatever way you deem necessary. The site is in its early stages right now, and it's still a couple months from being done. It's probably going to be released around the time the channel hits 100,000 subscribers. I'm planning a 100,000 subscriber special where I'm going to do a 14-hour non-stop marathon live stream, which I'm going to exclusively work on engineerman.org during it. Right now, Ducky's working on design matters, and I'm working on a lot of the data modeling type stuff to kind of prepare for that. And so that's the announcement. I want everybody to know that everything we do, and by we I mean myself, the admins, the moderators, everything we do, we are doing to enrich the Engineer Man community. Anybody that's been on the Discord server knows that everyone puts a lot of time in there, and that includes myself. So I always make time to show up, I make time to chat with everybody, and it's genuinely because I care. So yeah, this channel and community has a really bright future, and I invite you to come along for the ride. A lot of people ask how they can help. The simplest way you can help the community is just to tell somebody about what we're doing here. And that's it. Thanks to everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out in the Discord server, and I'll see you at 100K.